Welcome to this 5-minute meditation for a pleasant day. Get comfortable in your favorite position and take a moment to settle in. With your eyes closed, start with a long, deep breath in and slowly let it out. As you begin your day, know that you are stepping into new possibilities and a fresh start. Continue to breathe deeply and enjoy this moment of calmness. Now, bring to mind the goodness that your day will bring. Imagine that your day will be a clean slate, where you choose to paint kindness, gratitude, and purpose. As you continue to rest in this tranquil place, listen to and silently repeat the following affirmations. I am capable. I am worthy of happiness. I bring light and positivity into the world. As you move through the day, remind yourself of these affirmations of encouragement. As this meditation nears a close, I leave you with these kind words. Today is a gift, and even in moments of uncertainty, trust that you are exactly where you need to be. In this moment, smile as you appreciate all the good that surrounds you. Go forward with confidence. Walk into this day knowing that you are loved, supported, and enough. Ever so gently, wiggle your fingers and toes, and slowly guide your awareness back to the present moment. Thanks for spending time in this space. Have a beautiful day.